Hello fellow nature observers. Today I would like to talk to you about the Kids in the Marsh Summer Day Camp program. Friends of Second Marsh will be offering this on their website starting July 13th at no cost. Each week will have a different nature theme, and lessons, activities, and crafts will be released from Monday to Friday. Today I would like to tell you about our nature journal. We may refer to nature journals during the lessons, activities, or crafts. What we might ask is for you to make some outdoor observations and record them in your journal. Or you can take your activity sheet and put it right in the journal itself. Today we would like to invite you to watch the rest of this video and learn how to make your own nature journal with items you can use around the house. So you may want to go around your house and look for some pieces of cardboard. This is going to be the outside of your journal. It has a good hard cover so that way it can protect the paper inside. So I have 2 pieces pre-cut and hole punched already. Next thing you're going to want is some paper. It can be regular printer paper, or if you have scrap paper around the house, you might as well use that, especially if the other side of the page is blank. So we're going to start off by taking this paper and just folding it into half here. That gives you a few more pages in the actual journal. Then if you have at home a hole punch, this is great for creating the holes so that way you can put your journal together in the end. So I'm just going to line it up with my cover. Just like that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my covers and I'm going to sandwich the paper in between. Once I have that all ready, I have a twig that I found outside and some twine. I'm going to use this to put my journal together. So I'm going to want 2 pieces of twine. If you don't have twine at home, just regular string or yarn will even work as well. Whatever you have to put it together. Sometimes elastics can work as well. So I'm going to start by lining up the twig to my journal. Kinda like this, just to measure where I'm going to want to tie the string onto the actual stick. So I'm going to tie the string around the twig first. So I tied it around there so I have some longer strings here that kind of measure up, because I'm going to take that now and I'm going to thread it through the holes that I created on my journal. So once you have the strings threaded through, you tie them up, and it kind of acts as the spine or the bind of the book. And then you can just go through your pages like so. And then one of the best parts is decorating the front of your nature journal afterwards. So I have some markers here and some stickers as well. And I'm going to use green here. And there you have it. That's a nature journal. So in the meantime, while you wait for the camp to start, I challenge you to get outside and enjoy nature.